Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Asia and today it's my birthday. What better way for me to celebrate this year than to make myself a birthday cocktail? Man, I love birthday cake flavor. There's just something about it that's so nostalgic and I don't know what it is, but I love it. I mean, it's nothing more than vanilla and sprinkles, but for some reason, I love it. And yes, this is a magical cocktail. Not for the flavor and not for the ingredients, but for the candle that I'll be putting on top of it at the end. Making a wish and blowing out the candles is an old pagan ritual, and I'm gonna do just that. So without further ado, let's craft my birthday cake cocktail. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 2 ounces of vodka, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of amaretto, 2 ounces of half and half, some whipped cream for garnish, and rainbow sprinkles to top it all off. Alright, so first, fill a mixing glass 3/4 full with ice. Add your vodka, vanilla extract, white chocolate liqueur, amaretto, and half and half. Stir until chilled. Strain your mixture into your preferred glass and pipe on your whipped cream. Lastly, top it off with some rainbow sprinkles. And ta-da! Birthday cake cocktail is complete! Taste test time! So when I was in my planning stage for this cocktail, I was actually thinking, how am I going to stick a candle in this drink? Because originally I didn't imagine I would have whipped cream on top, so it would just be liquid. So how do I put a candle on top of liquid, right? So I thought maybe I could use those little like tea lights or tape the candle to the side of the glass. Then I googled some pictures and whipped cream was the answer. A lot better than a candle taped to the side of the glass. All right, let's add this candle. Okay, and light it up. All right, time to make my wish. I wish that more people will watch Potions class. I wish that I can eat lots of food without blowing up. And I guess I'll wish for world peace since everyone's kind of watching, and I feel like I probably should. Amen. As above, so below. Hakuna Matata. All right, magic's done. Cheers. Huh. I thought this would taste more like white chocolate and vanilla, but it actually tastes more like the almond liqueur. I did make my own white chocolate liqueur though, because I couldn't find it in stores. So maybe it's because I didn't make it strong enough, so I don't taste it very much. I was actually worried that this drink wouldn't be sweet enough for me because there's no syrups or anything in here, but it's actually okay. And I like eating the little bits of sprinkles on top, so that's a bonus. If you drink the cocktail with the whipped cream on top, it actually somehow tastes more like cake than it would without the whipped cream. I definitely want more sprinkles on mine. And some of these. Oh shit. Some just went into the vents. Whoops. It's hard to say no to anything with whipped cream and sprinkles. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I'm gonna go get some real cake now. Please leave any questions or suggestions down in the comments below. And like and subscribe for future content. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!